Hi, my name is MD Rakibul Hassan Siam. I'm from TT1L. Today I'm going to explain the elicitation activities in project part 1. So in the introduction, what is the purpose of our system? So this system is using for the blind student for learning accessibility and efficient class management system for the teacher. What is the scope of this system? So the educational concepts accessibility, class management and communication, user-friendly interface for the blind student and teacher. So the contents of presentation. So today I'm going to present the requirement sources, how we get the source for our system, and elicitation technique that we have used, classification requirement, we use the Kano model, and final requirement elicited. So requirement sources. So we have our stockholder and we did the interview to get the information about our system, like how the stockholder requirement in like for a blind student system, and also the existing system that we have view. We have view our Google University Google Classroom and MMLS, and also we read some existing document like the article and research paper. So elicitation technique that we have used for we use the interview, we did perspective-based reading, we did the questionnaires, and we did the observation. So this is the screenshot of one of our meeting with the stockholder. Uh, we did the survey of like questionnaires. So many responders have required that they need the user-friendly UI. So they need the data privacy. They have the data privacy concern. They many respond. They have notification when they're carrying the out specific important action. They have the budget constraint in the important system. They need the backup user data. So this is the table for our questionnaire that we have done for our survey. So this is the result for our survey. So our question was how important it is for the system to be compatible with the Microsoft Windows. So 50% responder respond about extremely important. Only 12.5% respond very important, and around 37.5% respond are moderately important. So the another survey we have done here. How important do you think the budget constraint uh, are in the system? So 37.5% responder think is very important for the budget, and 12.5% people think the moderately important, 25% people think slightly important, and another 25% people think extremely important for the budget. So this is overall the report of our survey. We have uh, survey how important do you do the responder think the system complete with the international standards, and how concerned are they about the privacy of data when they using, and this is their responding percentage. So we have read some perspective based documents for the data security, data integrity, and data accesses. So we have read a research paper. We have read many research papers. So this is the one of the research paper context. The title of the research paper is Integrating Security and Privacy in Software Development. So data security implements that three fundamental characteristics are granted: confidential, integrity, and availability. So to ensure those objects, a key element is the PKP is the context integrate the necessary requirement to preserve the security of data and the application. So it consists architecture requirement, use case scenario, and privacy enhancing technology that I will describe in this table. So observation. We have observed our university system, which is Google Classroom and MMLS. This is the table that feature requirement and opinion, and this is the description. So this is our Google Classroom, and in the Google Classroom, this is the feature, like we can see the tutorial and lecture. We can give the test. We can view the mark. So teacher can publish announcement. So classification of requirement Kano model. So Kano model is mainly working in three features. So which is delighter, satisfier, and must have. So the feature is must have. We need to implement in our system, and we also implement the satisfier, and we have less the delighter. So this is the table for the Kano model. So final requirements elicited. So this is the requirement, this is the satisfier, and this is the satisfier, and this is the delighter. So this is the final requirement elicited, that all the feature is at the requirement, and everything is dissatisfied, which we must need this. So in conclusion, we did the interview to blind student and a teacher for the system, what is their requirement, and we did the survey and observation for their opinion, and we used the Kano model for the most requirement feature in the system and least requirement feature in the system, and we have implement this in our system. So this is my presentation. Thank you so much.